Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Patrick Fabian. I'm from class management 23A. Here I will explain about initial stage of change and the first material, basic concept of behavior change. Behavior change is not a simple or linear process, but rather a dynamic one influenced by various internal and factors such as motivation, self-confidence, and emotional as well as external factor and like social environment and culture. In the psychology, change is often understood as a cyclical process in which individual may move forward, backward, and across different stages and of the process, but part of the learning experience. The 3-4 understanding the initial stage of change is crucial as this is where the foundation of mental reading and ours is developed before individual take connection. And the next material, preconception or cognitive resolution phase is the precontemplation stage individual experience cognitive resistance toward change, the lack suspend hours of the problem and often use decision mechanism such as denial or rationalization to justify their current behavior. External input such as advent Christine then because they are not internal at this stage. Direction confidence is usually confident is a more effective approach involves reaching hours and relevant information. The goal is to create cognitive vision that individual to create and research their current condition. Next material, contemplation on ambivalence and cognitive disconnect. The contemplation stage is characterized by ambivalence where individuals hold cognitive thought about change and on one hand they recognize the importance of change, but on the other hand and they still feel comfortable and with their current behavior. This phenomenon is constantly related cognitive and psychological tension caused by inconsistency between belief and action. Individual we can evaluate the process of change but often become stuck in overthinking without taking action. Effective intervention and this stage involves help individual calibrate their value and life goals. Next material, preparation, information and planning. In the preparation stage, individual move beyond ambivalence and begin forming a concrete intention to change. And from a psychological perspective, this stage is associated with the development of strong intention, often influenced by self-efforts or belief in one's ability to success. Individual begin to set specific and realistic goals and develop strategy to achieve them. This process also include identifying potential barriers and ways to overcome them. This stage is crucial because it serves as break and processing and actual behavior. Next material, the role of self-efficiency in early stage. Self-efficiency is critical psychological factor in the early stage of change, referring to individual belief in their ability to perform specific action. Individuals with high self-efficiency are more confident in facing challenge and more consistent in implementing change plans. And in process with low self-efficiency are more likely to themselves and give up essential and the essential step. Self-efficiency determines whether an individual move from thinking to action and building confidence through small action and positive social support essential for steering successful behavior change. And the last material, conclusion. The initial step of change from the foundation of the ancient behavior change process at the stake confident factors such as hours and motivation and self-belief play a more dominant role than actual action. Means shouldn't the stake can lead to failures and achieving sensible change. 3. 4. Approach must be tailored to the individual psychological condition, and change is not morally about action but about and mentally and by effectively understanding and managing the early step, individual significant and inserts and share change, save long term and magical change.